Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about module number 3, that is performance of transmission lines. Here we are going to discuss about tutorial problems on ABCD constants in all transmission line cases. Let us see the problem number 1, that is a 132 kV 50 Hz 3-phase transmission line delivers a load of 50 megawatts at 0.85 lagging power factor at the receiving end. The generalized constants of the transmission line are A value, D value is equal, A is equal, D is equal 0.95 at an angle of 1.4 degree, and B is equal 96 at an angle of 78 degree of ohms, and C is equal 0.0015 at an angle of 90 degree. Find the regulation of the line and charging current using nominal T method. So this is the problem what they given for us. It is a 3-phase transmission line network, and the line voltage here they given as 132 kilovolts, and the supply frequency is 50 hertz, and receiving end side power they given 50 megawatts, and receiving end side power factor cos of pi r 0.85, and the transmission line constants here they given that value of A and D, that is 0.95 at an angle of 1.4 degree, and B value they given 96 at an angle of 78 degree of ohms, and C is equal 0.0015 at an angle of 90 degree value. So here we have to find out that regulation and line charging current, voltage regulation and line charging current here we have to calculate. So let us write the given data. The given data in the problem, that is receiving end voltage per phase. Per phase we have to calculate because they given line voltage. So per phase voltage means VR is equal line voltage divided by root 3, that is 132 kV. So 132 into 10 power 3 divided by root 3, it becomes 76,210 volts. Then here the receiving end current IR is equal receiving end power 50 into 10 power 6, that is megawatts, 50 megawatts divided by line voltage, that means receiving end current. So we are taken into per phase now. Okay, we are going to multiply divided by root 3 into 132 into 10 power 3, 132 kV, that is 10 power 3 into 0.8 power factor. Therefore IR is equal 50 into 10 power 6 divided by, it is 3-phase transmission, and so we can take that root 3 into line voltage 132 kilovolts, that is 132 into 10 power 3 into power factor as 0.8. So finally here we got, after doing simplification, here we will get 273 amperes, that is receiving end current. Similarly in the problem they given that receiving end side power factor, that is cos of pi r is equal 0.8. If receiving end side power factor cos of pi r is equal 0.8, then pi r is equal cos inverse of 0.8, that becomes 36.8. Therefore sin of 36.8, that is sin of pi r, that becomes 0.6. Now taking the receiving end voltage as a reference from the nominal T section network, as we know the formula VR bar is equal VR plus J0. So VR means here just VR calculated per phase, that is 76,210 volts. I am substituted in the place of VR, that is 76,210 at an angle of 0 degrees volts. Similarly IR bar is equal IR at an angle of minus pi r. So IR means here we got just 273 amperes. So I am going to substitute here IR means 273 amperes at an angle of minus pi r. So minus pi r means here pi r here we got, that is minus pi r. Minus pi r here we got like e power minus j pi r. E power minus j pi r is nothing but looks like Euler's identity. Then Euler's identity e power j theta cos theta minus j sin theta. So in that manner cos of pi r minus j of sin pi r, thereby here we got minus 36.9 is the angle at here. So here we got, that is minus 36.9, that I am placed here. And sending end voltage, the sending end voltage equation per phase, according to that transmission line constants Vs bar is equal A into Vr bar plus B bar into IR bar. Here, just now here we are calculated VR bar. VR bar is equal here 76,210 at an angle of 0 degree. That I am going to substitute in the place of VR bar while we are calculating VS bar. So 0.95 at an angle of 1.4 degree into 76,210 at an angle of 0 degree plus B bar, that is 96 at an angle of 78 degree into IR bar 273 at an angle of minus 36.9. After doing simplification here, we got 72,400 at an angle of 1.4 degree plus 26,208 at an angle of 41.1 degree. Then again here minus of pi r. If you see here minus of pi r, we can write e power minus j pi r, e power minus j theta, cos theta plus j sin theta. Therefore cos of 1.4 degree plus j into sin of 1.4 degree plus 26,208 at an angle of, here also again angle of 41.1 degree. So angle of plus pi r. So at an angle of plus pi r in polar form. In rectangular form it is e power j pi r. E power j pi r, that we can write as cos of, e power j theta, cos theta plus j sin theta. So cos of 41.1 degree plus j into 41.1 degree. After doing simplification here, we got the overall voltage in rectangular form, that is 92,128 plus j of 18,996, or in polar form we got 94,066 at an angle of 11.65 degree volts. Now we are calculated that sending end voltage. In similar, we have to calculate that sending end current. The sending end current formula, that is IS bar is equal C into VR bar plus D into IR bar. This is the formula what we are taken into count from the general equations of ABCD parameters, that is transmission parameters. That is sending end current IS bar is equal receiving end voltage VR bar and receiving end current IR bar. In that way this formula has been written. Here I am going to substitute that VR bar and C bar value. C bar value means here we have to look at given problem. In the given problem they given C bar value. C value, that is 0.0015 at an angle of 90 degree. That here we are substituted 0.0015 at an angle of 90 degree into VR bar means just we are calculated 76,210 at an angle of 0 degree plus D bar means again we have to look at given problem. In the given problem D bar they given here, that is 0.95 at an angle of 1.4 degree. That we are going to substitute in the place of D bar into IR bar. So here D bar into IR bar I am substituted. D bar here I got 0.95 at an angle of 1.4 degree into IR bar, that is previous slide here we are calculated 273 at an angle of minus 36.9. By doing simplification here we got 114 at an angle of 90 degree plus 260 at an angle of minus 35.5 degree. So here at an angle of 90 degree again we can write as angle of theta e power j theta. E power j theta is nothing but cos theta plus j sin theta. Like that we are written the equation, and here we write the formula, that is cos theta, that means cos of 90 plus j sin theta plus j of sin 90 plus 260 at an angle of minus pi r, that is e power minus of j pi r, that is cos of pi r minus j of sin pi r. Here pi r means 35.5 degree and 35.5 degree. So here by doing that simplification we got that solution, that is 114 of 0 plus j, because cos 90 it is 0 plus j sin 90 it is 1. So j of 1 plus 260 cos of 35.5 degree it is 0.814, sin of 35.5 degree it is 0.58. Again after doing that multiplication, simplification, here we got j 114 plus 211 minus j 150, that is equal to 211 minus j of 36. This is nothing but the sending end current what we got after doing simplification. Now we are calculated that sending end voltage and sending end current. Now and once again here we are going to calculate that charging current. Charging current IC. So from the circuit diagram here, T section network, in T section network charging current IC is equal to sending end current minus receiving end current. According to Kirchhoff current law, here we got this equation. According to this equation, if I am going to substitute IS and IR to find out that IC, after doing simplification here we got 128.2 at an angle of 93.1 degree ampere, that is in polar form. In rectangular form here we got minus 7 plus j 128 amperes. Now we are going to calculate that percentage of regulation. What is the formula of percentage of regulation? Percentage of regulation, that is nothing but sending end voltage minus receiving end voltage divided by receiving end voltage. So here sending end voltage, that is we have to calculate from the ABCD parameters formula. So from ABCD parameters formula, the sending end voltage Vs is equal to sending end voltage. Here we have that sending end voltage. Here we know that Vs means what we written, Vs by A. So we have to write Vs by A. Here Vs means how much we got, sending end voltage, that is 94,666. 94,666 divided by A. A means they given that 0.95 minus 76,210 divided by 76,210. After doing simplification, here we got that the transmission, here we got that regulation, that is 30%. So 30% of voltage regulation has been done due to the presence of line parameters which are distributed uniformly throughout the given length of the transmission line. By this, here we are calculated regulation of the transmission line, charging current, and the sending end voltage Vs, sending end current Is. Here sending end current we are calculated, and previous slide we are calculated that sending end voltage, that is 94,666 at an angle of 11.65 volts. Thank you.